Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. In English grammar I have taken the topic letter writing. Letter writing can be divided into two parts. One is informal letter and the second is formal letter. The informal letter is a letter which is written to our loved ones who are near and dear to us. For example, father, mother, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, etc. The language used in informal letter is informal and simple, and it also has personal touch. But it must have an structure, it must have a format. Without format, we will not write informal letter. In informal letter, there is also a structure, there is also a format, and we should try to follow that format. And the second one is formal letter. Formal letter is a letter which is written to our school principal, our teacher, newspaper editor, any office, and the language that is used in formal letter must be formal, precise and business-like, because we write the formal letters to the persons who are belonging to the offices or the persons who we don't know. That's why we always write the formal letters in formal way. We use the formal language for writing the formal letters. So let us see one by one informal letter and formal letter. As I told you, first of all we are going to see the informal letter. So the format of informal letter, we are going to see the format of informal letter, how we write informal letter. First of all, the format. We write the sender's address, means the person who is writing the letter, the sender's address at the right hand side, top right hand side, former's sender's address. Date can either be either side, right side or left side. And then after writing the date, we will write the salutation. Salutation at left hand side. After salutation, here will be content or body of the letter, body of the letter, and we can write content or body of the letter according to our need, according to our topic. So after writing the content, here will be complementary clause. After complementary clause, in the end, here will be sender's name. After complementary clause, we will write the sender's name. And you see, your letter would be divided, the marks of the letter would be divided according to this format. You will get 1 mark. For content, you will get 2 marks, and for expression, you will get 2 marks. So your mark will be divided like that. For format, you will get 1 mark. For content, you will get 2 marks, and for expressions, you will get 2 marks. So you will get marks like that if letter is asked in your examination. So this is the structure. This is the structure of letter writing, formal letter. At first we write sender's address at the right hand side, and then below that we can write the date. Date can either side, it can be right side or the left side. And after writing the date, we will write the salutation below the date, but salutation would be left side. And after writing the salutation, we will write our content of the letter, body of the letter, and content would be according to your need. It can be short or long, but it must not be too long, but small paragraphs. And after writing the content, we will write the complimentary clause, and after complimentary clause, in the end we will write the sender's name. The person who is writing the letter will write his or her name. This is the format of letter writing. Let us see the example of informal letter writing. Here is a question. The question is, write a letter to your friend inviting him to your brother's marriage. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to your brother's marriage. Inviting him to your brother's marriage. So, as I told you, first of all, we will write the sender's address at the right side of the paper. For example, we can write Argupur Kala, Jaunpur. This is the address. After writing the address, we will write the date. For example, 21st June 2020. After writing the date, we will write the salutation. When we address someone with like dear sister, dear brother, etc., it is called the salutation. For example, here we can say dear Rajesh. Dear Rajesh. Rajesh is your friend and you are going to write the letter to Rajesh. After writing the salutation, you will start writing the content. You will start writing the body of the letter. So, you will be delighted. You will be delighted. You will be delighted to know that, my brother's marriage is on 15th July 2020. Full stop. One thing is completed. My parents will be pleased if you join us, if you join us on 15th July, on 15th July. I hope you will come on 15th July with uncle and aunt. Full stop. Now your content is completed. In the last you will write complimentary clause, yours lovingly. Yours lovingly. And after writing complimentary clause you will write your name. For example, Anuj Kumar. This is the example of a letter writing. First of all, you will write the address, then you will write date. After date you will write salutation. In salutation, in informal letter we can write dear Rajesh, dear brother, dear sister, etc. And after writing the salutation, we will start writing content. For example, you will be delighted to know that my brother's marriage is on 15th July 2020. My parents will be pleased if you join us on 15th July. I hope you will come on 15th July with uncle and aunt. Now your content is completed. When your content is completed, you will write the complimentary clause. Here, yours lovingly. You can write yours lovingly, yours obediently, etc. Yours lovingly, and in the end you will write your name. It will be the name of the letter writer. The person who is writing the letter, here will be the name of that person, Anuj Kumar. This is the example of informal letter writing. Now let us see the format of formal letter writing. In formal letter writing, application is also part of a formal letter writing. In formal letter writing, we write sender's address at right hand side. Sender's address. But if we are going to write the letter to our principal, our teacher, we may left address. But if we are going to write the letter to the offices, to the persons whom we don't know, we must write the sender's address in formal letter too. So the sender's address and date. Below date, at the left hand side, here will be receiver's designation. Receiver's designation. Below receiver's designation, here will be name of organization. Name of organization. Below name of organization, here will be address of organization. Address of organization. After writing the address of organization, we will write subject. Subject. Below subject, here will be salutation. Here will be, after writing the salutation, we will write the content or body of the letter. Body of the letter or application. Body of the letter or application. After writing the body of the letter, we will write complementary clause. We will write complementary clause, and after complementary clause we will write full name. Here you can say sender's name, sender's name, and above the name of senders here will be signature. So this is the format of formal letter writing. It is first of all sender's address, then date at the top right hand corner, and after writing the date, below the date here will be receiver's designation at left hand side. Then below receiver's designation, name of the organization, then address of the organization. After writing the address of organization, we will write the subject of the letter, and after writing the subject we will write the salutation. After salutation, here will be the body of the letter. When we will complete writing the body of the letter, we will write complementary clause with our full name, and above our full name we will also sign. The senders will also sign above his name. So this is the format of letter writing, formal letter writing. So the question is, write an application to your principal seeking permission for 2 days leave. As I told you, first of all we will write the sender's address. Here the sender's address is Powai Azamgarh, and after writing the sender's address we will write the date, 27th August 2020. After writing the date, we will write the receiver's designation, the principal. After writing the designation of the person, we will write the name of organization, SBS Children Academy. After writing the name of the organization, we will write the address of the organization, Argupur Kala, Jaunpur. After writing the address of the organization, we will write the subject, application for leave. After writing the subject, we will write the salutation. For example, respected sir, madam, etc. After writing this, you will write your content. Here, I, Ajay Kumar, of class 6A, request you to grant me 2 days leave. There is my elder brother's marriage. I would not be able, I would not be able to attend the classes, from 28/8/2020 to 29/8/2020. Full stop. I would be grateful. Grateful means thankful. Grateful for your act of kindness. Act of kindness. After writing the content, we will write the complimentary clause. Thanking you. After writing this, here we will write the name Ajay Kumar, and above the name here will be your sign. Here will be between complimentary clause and your name, here will be your sign. Above your name there will be your sign. This is the example of formal letter writing. This is an application to your principal. So now this class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you.